Hi guys, Sunday the 30th of March. Out here in the fields again. First decent find of the day. There's a musket bull. It was about 9 inches down. Which is great. We'll carry on till we find something the river of the day. Trying out new pinpointer and bigger coil. First decent signal I've had. It's a 50p. On the fellas in here, that's 20p. Everyone, I'll do the round up here. 21 coins today, all spendables. 50, 4 20s, 2 10s, 9 5s, 4 2s, and a 1. Shotgun shell, a fishing Toby. I'll clean them up a bit and show you on the roundup, but there's nothing special today. Hi everyone, it's Sunday, out in the fields again. First signal got is in here. I think it's a button, not too sure. Yeah, it's a button. Hopefully we'll find some good stuff for today. Hi guys, next signal of the day is here. It does look like a button. It's a button, nice rose pattern on it. It's the second one of the day. On to the next signal's here. Bit of a buckle. On to the next. Got a banging signal here, 84. Says it's right on top. Don't know what this is. Oh, and that's staying in there. Bloody tin can. Oh well, can't win them all. Hi guys, next signal's in here. It appears to be a coin. It's pretty well toasted. I might be able to get something off it. Show you around it. On to the next one. Hi everyone, roundup time, Sunday night. Not an awful lot today, but it's nice to get out anyway. Bit of junk over here. Piece of lead, iron ring, piece of a dog lead, nice buckle. Not too sure if it's off a shoe or not. It's quite old. A few buttons, gold gilded one there. That one there's got a really nice pattern. Hopefully it'll zoom in on it. Lead washer. There's a piece of brass. Couple of coins. 1872 Victoria halfpence. This one, not too sure what it is yet. I'll try and clean it up and see what it is. Thanks for watching. Good luck until the next time.